Hello everyone, so welcome you all to Ashok Tutorials Meghalaya's first Mtet channel. So my dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss the answer key of mathematics for LP section, alright? So we are going to discuss maths for paper 1, and the series I will be following here is D series, alright? D series, alright? So you follow the answers according to D series, and those who are having other series like A, B and C, you have to find out. There will be different serial numbers, but the questions will be the same, right? So you have to do little hard work, but D series people, it's a cakewalk for you, right? Easy, everything is done by me. So here we are going to solve mathematics, and this time the maths was the easiest in the history of Mtet. So the easiest questions came this year according to my knowledge. In 2019, 21, 23, still the questions were tough, but this time in 2025 the questions were so easy. All right, so especially the pedagogical portions were amazing. I really enjoyed solving the pedagogical questions. So now, before I start, I will just like to ask you to get your question papers along with you, and as I am solving, you please mark yourself, you check how much you got, and once you have found out, like, yes, you got 20 or 30 or 10 or 5 or 16, whatever, you please comment in the comment section so that I also get a rough general idea, like how many of you found it easy, right, or how many of you found it average or tough. All right, so I'll be happy to read your comments and give you that, the like. All right, so let's get started now. So question number 1, let me zoom it for you. Question number 61. Which of the following is not a mathematics software? Now all right, I should not explain, right? I will give you direct answer. So which of the following is not a mathematics software? So of course you understand that Microsoft Word is not a mathematics software. So your correct option here is option number B, Microsoft Word. All right. Now 62. Evaluation that monitors learning progress in mathematics is known as what? It is known as option number A, formative evaluation. It is option number A, formative evaluation. All right. Now question number 63. Which of the following is not a tool of assessment in mathematics? So which of the following is not a tool of assessment in mathematics? So the correct option here is option number D, that is examination. Option number D, examination. All right. Now, what is the least number that must be added to 1056 so that the sum is completely divisible by 23? So your correct option here is option number B, that is 2. Option number B, 2. Right. Now here, the value of these expression is what? The value of the given expression is option number A, that is 308. 308. All right. Now, 66. 1 by 4 kg is equal to what gram? Right, 1 by 4 kg is equal to option number D, that is 1250 gram. 1250 gram. All right, now let us come to next question here. 66, no, 67. Yes, let me zoom out, all right, a little bit. Yes. Now, a right angle triangle with sides 3 cm, 4 cm, and 5 cm is rotated on the side of 4 cm to form a cone. Find the volume of the cone. So, what is the volume of the cone? This is what they are asking. If you know the formula, you got it right. So, yes, the correct option here is option number A, 12 pi centimeter cube. 12 pi centimeter cube. All right, option number A is the correct option. Now here 68. So when pictures are used to represent information, it is known as what? It is known as pictograph. Option number C is the correct option, pictograph. Right. Now 69. The graph below depicts the number of passed and failed students in a school for 5 years. So this is the graph. So which year has the smallest difference between the number of students who passed and failed? So the correct option here is option number A, that is 2020. Option number A, 2020. All right. Now let us come to the next question. So yes, this is a very sweet question. So question number 70. Give the name of the next figure in the following series. So the answer is option number B, that is hexagon. Option number B, that is hexagon. Now question number 71. Look at the series below. 8, 17, 36, 75, 154 blank. What number should replace the question mark in the above series? So the answer for 71 is option number D, that is 313. Option number D, 313. Now, which of the following letters has a line of symmetry? So here, I feel that two answers are correct. So those who have selected option number B, M, and option number D, N, I think both are correct. So those who have selected B or D, I think you will get 1 mark here. All right, this is according to me. So option number B or D, these are the correct answer according to me. Now 73. Look at the diagram below. So an arrow is given here. The number lines of symmetry in the given diagram is what? So how many symmetry can you make out of this arrow? So you can make only one symmetry. So option number A is the correct answer here. Option number A, 1. All right. The top of a cuboid looks like a, so when you are looking at the cuboid from top, it will look like a rectangle, right? Option number C, it will look like a rectangle. So how many faces does a sphere have? So tennis ball, football, how many faces do you see? There is only one face, right? So option number B. All right, option number B, one face. How many diagonals the given figure has? So this pentagon can have how many diagonals? So this pentagon can have only 5 diagonals. All right, option number C, 5 diagonals. All right, let's go to the next question now. Next question is, yes, 77. So in triangle ABC, AC equal to BC and angle ABC equal to 50 degree, the side BC is produced to D so that BC equal to CD. Find the value of angle BAD. So what is the correct answer here? Option number what? Option number B, right? That is 80 degree. Option number B, 80 degree. Question number 78 now. Which is the largest amongst the following? So which fraction is the largest among the following? So it is option number C, that is 7 by 9. Option number C, 7 by 9. All right. Now next question is, 1/3 of workers come by public transport and 2/5 drive cars and the rest travel on foot. What fraction of the workers travel on foot? So this is what we have to find out, and the correct option here is option number D, that is 4 by 15. Option number D, 4 by 15. All right. Now next question we have is, the population of a town is increased by 4% from the previous year. If the population in the previous year was 50,000, find the present population. So what is the present population then? It is option number B, that is 52,000. All right, option number B, 52,000. Now question number 81. In an examination, a student got 40 marks and still failed by 20% marks. If the pass percentage is 40%, then the maximum marks of the examination are what? Option number C, all right, that is 200. Option number C, that is 200. All right. Then we will go to the next question, that is 82. So one of the natures of mathematics is what? Mathematics is what? Nature of mathematics we have studied, right? So option number C, mathematics is logical. Option number C, logical. All right. Now question number 83. Mathematics is hierarchical in nature and the concepts are largely structured and connected. Which of the following statements most appropriately explain this? So here the correct option is option number B, that is 1 and 4, which means multiplication follows and builds on the concept of addition. Number 1, this is correct. And number 4, number sense needs to be developed before the concept of addition and subtraction. Number 4. So 1 and 4, that is option number B, is the correct answer here, right? Now question number 84. Mathematical games and puzzles are examples of effective teaching methods in mathematics. They are categorized as what? They are categorized as option number C, that is playway method. Option number C, that is playway method. All right. Now next question is, at lower primary classes in mathematics, a teacher uses playway activity based on what? Based on option number D, the psychological principles of growth and development. The psychological principles of growth and development. All right. Now let us go here. All right. So we have question number 86 now. Jean Piaget, right? Jean Piaget's question. So many came. According to Jean Piaget, children in pre-operational stage of development are able to do what? They are able to do what? According to Jean Piaget, they make believe play. That is option number D is the correct answer here. Make believe play. Make believe play. All right. Now, the second stage of cognitive development, according to Jean Piaget, is which one? So he has given four stages, right? So which one is the second one? It is option number A, that is pre-operational stage. Option number A, pre-operational stage. All right. Now, next question is 88. John, a third grade student, has maths anxiety. Which of the following would you do to overcome the problem? So it is very easy and simple. The answer here is option number B, that is properly involve John in learning activities and explain concept to him. Properly involve John in learning activities and explain concept to him. Option number B. All right. Now we have 89, second last question. What does it say? Which of the following cannot be considered as a reason for fear and failure in mathematics? So option is very clear here. Option number D, that is gender difference has nothing to do with fear or love for mathematics. All right. Option number D, that is gender differences. Now the last question comes here. Which of the following is not correct about ICT? So if you are a good teacher, if you are an effective teacher, this answer you cannot make it a mistake, right? Which means all of you, those who have written your Mtet exam, this question number 90 has to be done by you in a correct way. If you do a mistake in question number 90, then you have to work hard. All right. So here in question number 90, which of the following is not correct about ICT? It is option number C. ICT is a substitute for a teacher. It can never be. All right. ICT is a substitute for a teacher is the correct option here. So my dear friends, I tried my best to explain this mathematics in this short period of time. So I could not show you how we solve it, all right? So those things we'll do later on aram se, right? But as of now, you just need the answer key so that to find a rough idea or get a rough sketch whether you can qualify this Mtet exam or not. So this was the best answer keys I could provide. But if you still have better than this, or if you have something you can rely on, then you can please, refer to those as well. All right. So thank you everyone for watching and all the best in mathematics.